Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Denton County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Crossroads, or 7 miles north of Lake Lewisville, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Another storm that may become severe was also developing atop the city of Denton. This storm was also moving to the north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frisco, Denton, The Colony, Corinth, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Lake Lewisville, Little Elm, Crum, Pilot Point, Argyle, Hickory Creek, Shady Shores, Aubrey, Krugerville, Crossroads, Copper Canyon, Hackberry and Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Current time is...
I've been giving you a little... new one as long as possible. Has your manufacturer's warranty expired? Is it about to? What if you lost...
the reason.
And right now,
To your ears. 501
at 93t.com.
We'll keep you up. That's the question.
That's just
It's about originality. It's about
precious sake.
Down into
miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frisco, Denton, The Colony, Corinth, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Lake Lewisville, Little Elm, Pilot Point, Argyle, Hickory Creek, Shady Shores, Aubrey, Krugerville, Crossroads, Copper Canyon, Hackberry and Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Denton County until 8 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located over Crossroads, or about 7 miles north of Lewisville Lake, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Another storm that may become severe is also developing atop near the city of Denton. The storm is also moving to the north at 10 miles per hour. These storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Locations impacted by the warning include Frisco, Denton, The Colony, Corinth, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Lake Lewisville, Little Elm, Argyle, Hickory Creek, Shady Shores, and Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for central Denton County until 8 p.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.